Hello kids, how are you? Happy Navratras to all of you. Yes, I am enjoying, and what about you? Okay, so you guys are also enjoying and must be enjoying our DIYs. Yes kids, these days we are doing our special DIYs that is related to Navratras. So today also I have something very nice for you, but and I know you know it. You can see it on my workstation. Yes, kids. So this is Shipra again with a nice DIY activity. But we need to get that green signal. So let us learn to fly high with yellow class DIY. To make this nice Hanuman Ji ka, yes, Hanuman Ji ka gada. So which is quite heavy and we can play with it. You can see that's quite heavy. So we can play with it. So I hope you will enjoy making this. But before that, let me just quickly tell you what all things do we need. Lots and lots of newspaper, because all the inner part, the whole ball is of newspaper. Even this rod is of a newspaper. So we need lots and lots of newspaper. Wooden sticks, you can take any sticks. I have taken these broomsticks. These are long enough. I will divide it into two halves. Okay. Aluminium foil. This is the same aluminium foil, kids, which we use at home while mama is cooking and all. This will be, we will be using, I have kept the complete roll, but we will not be using the complete roll. We will be using a small amount of this. Then definitely scissor, any fancy silver, green, any tape, and lots of sellotape. So newspaper and sellotape we really need to use in good amount, because we are all fixing our things with sellotape only, and one or two rubber bands. That's all we have to do. So let us first make the roll and then we'll make the ball. For the roll, what we are going to do, we will take this newspaper and just know the size. Okay. I have taken 2 to 3 sheets of newspaper. Okay. And I have just measured it like this, because we are taking this as the length of our roll. So, and we'll just divide it from the center and just break it like this. Okay, and we'll tie it with the rubber bands. So this will give the stiffness to our rods. Okay, the rod which we are making, that will give stiffness to that, just with the help of these rubber bands. Okay. And we will start rotating it. We see there is some extra part. We can just cut it with the scissor, kids. It will be a little difficult, but you can do it with the scissor or even with your hands. You just need to see that the extra part is removed. Okay. And we'll make a roll like this. A tight roll. Don't worry about this. This we will cover with the decorative tape also, this fancy tape. And a tight folding we'll do. So this will make us the rod of the Gada quite stable and firm. Just do a tight rolling like this. If you remember, we have done earlier also in many few crafts that we have done tight rolling of the newspaper, and then we use the sellotape to wrap it nicely. So I told you we will be using a good ample amount of sellotape. So basically now we later on cover it with the aluminum foil. As such, our rod is ready, which is quite stable. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to make this ball. For these balls, what we are going to do, we are going to take the newspapers and we will, with the help of the cutter or with the help of the scissor, whatever way you are comfortable. We are not looking for any fine neatness. We really need these sheets like this. And we will start rolling it, crumpling it like this. We have to make a big ball, kids. Okay. And we will make one small ball also. First, I am making a big ball. We'll keep on adding till we reach somewhere here. Okay. So we'll keep on adding newspapers. If we need more, we'll cut more same way, and we will just keep on adding. Okay, kids, we will just keep on adding. This way we'll make a big ball, kids, and we will put sellotape on it. So we'll put a good amount of sellotape again, but in the first we're not going to put too much because we are going to again roll it. That's all. Okay, a big ball is made like this. Now, as we can see, we have a small curve like this. So we are going to make one more same ball. What we are going to do, we are just going to take small papers, again a sheet of paper, and we will start crumpling it same way. So here we will be using just 2 or 3 sheets, kit, because we really don't want to make a very big ball. Okay, just same way, and we take. And see, I have not even taken care that we have to go very neat, because as we all know, we just need to crumple it like this. Okay, a small ball. Is made. We will just fix it like this nicely. The smaller one will be difficult to fold it like a round. The bigger ones takes the shape on its own. So don't worry, just press it nicely. Okay, once this is done, we will cover this with aluminum foil first, this one. Just in case later on we are not able to, because we will cover it, we are not able to do it, this aluminum foil will help us. I have taken a small sheet, and this is also a little bigger. What I am going to do, I am going to keep it aside, and I will roll it. Taking care this, here only all my paper gets together here at its one point, not at the top, so that the top becomes a smooth top. You can see. Okay. So this is done. Now we'll stick it exactly at the center. And what we are going to use? Yes, as I told you, we are going to use our sellotape quite religiously. So we are going to use this sellotape only. I have used my sellotape quite religiously, kids, and we really need, because we need to fix our things. You can see this has come at the center exactly, taking care that this is at the center. I have rolled it with the silver paper. I have rolled it with the silver paper so that later on, if we are not able to roll it nicely, we can do it again. We do. So we have done this quite nicely. We have used the sellotape quite nicely, kids. Now again, we are going to use the sellotape, but how? So let me just tell you. So this is our center, taking care that this comes in the center. We have again given it a shape of a round ball. Okay. And now we'll fix this on the other center. Okay. Here. So that when you see, it comes like this. So at the other center, again, we are going to use the sellotape only. So you know, as I told you, too much of sellotape. This will take little time, kids. This will take little effort of yours because you have to hold it, or you can take somebody's help also to hold this, because you have to hold it straight and then you have to rotate it. If you have somebody around, mama or papa or your brother and sisters can help you in doing this. Okay, nicely you have to do it. Okay, so you can see now it is quite stiff. So we have to really use too much of sellotape to fix it up. Otherwise, it will keep on moving. Okay, this is done, kids. Now we'll just use the aluminum foil to wrap it. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to keep our aluminum foil like this, or you can just cut a bigger piece, because first we are going to cover the round. We are not going to use any glue, nothing. We are just simply going to cover it like this, taking care that you don't put too many wrinkles on it. Okay, so this is your, please don't worry if your aluminum foil tears from between, no worry, we will cover it nicely. We will take care that we do one more covering, and this portion definitely might come out. You can see this might come out. That's why I have done the silver thing inside, also inside the ball, and we are going to decorate it. Okay, so you just take care that I am going to roll it once more, and then we will roll the ball. I've taken a big sheet of aluminum foil. Taking care that all your, again, your things come at the end only. This is done, and this is your center point. Okay. Now we just rotate our simple drone here, and we will do the decoration. Once the decoration is done, it will look nice. Otherwise, right now we can see that we have few wrinkles on it. Just reel it from this top. Okay. Okay, and we cut it again. We are not using any glue. We are not using the glue at all. So this part is done. Now the only this part which is left. And yes, this is done. Now we are just going to decorate it. So I will be using my red, green color sellotape, fancy tape, sorry. Or you can use your simple tape also. So with a tape, any fancy tape, first we'll rotate this so that it gets properly done from here. Okay. Any silver, sparkly, any tape is good enough. You can even use 2 tapes. That depends on you. Okay, this is done. Now this portion. So for this portion, we are going to tape it nicely like this. Okay. We again put a small tape. You can even use a thin tape here. I have taken a broader one, but you can use a thin tape here. Okay. And again, now we give it a look of a handle. As I told you, we will cover this also. Cut it from here. Okay. Even those parts which are left here, which are you feel that they are little open of your aluminium, that will also be covered by this thing. Take care that you are doing it nicely. You can decorate any ways you want to. This will stick your aluminum foil which is coming out from anywhere. Oh. And anywhere you feel you need to give any neatness, you can do that. And this way, our Hanumanji's Gada is ready. See kids, it's quite solid it is, and can be used. Just be careful when you are playing it with it, okay? Just be careful when you are playing with it, kids. I hope you have followed the instructions nicely. The main thing is we really need to take a good big ball of newspaper and have to use lots and lots of sellotape to make it quite stable, quite firm. So hope the instructions were clear and you are soon going to share your pictures with this Hanumanji's Gada and must be enjoying Navratras a lot. So we are going to meet soon again. This is time to say bye-bye. We are going to come again with nice, exciting activities of our DIYs very soon. Till then, kids, take care. Bye-bye. Happy Navratras.